Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Shein. They did send me this Water Wave 99J wig, and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy, beginner friendly look. Y'all, when I say this wig was a 10 out of 10, it definitely was a 10 out of 10. So stay tuned to see how I achieved this look.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on.
So y'all, this is the final look. I did add water and mousse to the hair to create this curl pattern, y'all. When I say the wig is a 10 out of 10, literally a 10 out of 10. Everything about this company and the wig, the exact link, literally everything will be in the description box, y'all. As well as my discount code. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase. If you are interested in shopping with them, definitely let them know that I did send you. Y'all, when I say 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. I love this hair color. Literally, I love everything. The shedding was very minimum, y'all. The inches were definitely there. Like, it was just a 10 out of 10 in my book. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at 54K. We're on the road to 100K. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.